How to view your archived ed plan. Hello students, today we're going to review how to view your archived ed plan. First, visit our website at www.vvc.edu. Then, click My VVC located on the top right corner of the header bar. Next, enter your username and password, then click Sign In. You are now on the My VVC homepage. From here, click Self-Service SaaS. Next, click Student Planning from the options below on the left-hand side. Next, click Go to Plan and Schedule on the right-hand side. From here, click Advising. You'll be able to review your counselor's notes that they've provided throughout your counseling appointments. Additionally, you could click View Plan Archive, and then this is where you'll be able to download previously archived ed plans. All you need to do is click download the file to your computer, and then open the file, and you'll be able to view the PDF version or archived version of your education plan with your counselor's notes. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Need more help? Call 760-245-4271. Thank you.